In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an animated subscribe button on CapCut. You'll just need CapCut and a video you want to enhance. Open CapCut to get started. You can launch a new project or open an existing one. Either works. The key is to have your timeline ready so you can see where the subscribe animation will go. Next, add your video. Import the clip you want to edit and place it on the timeline. Make sure it plays smoothly from start to finish. If you're creating content for a platform like YouTube, confirm your canvas is set to the correct aspect ratio so the animation fits nicely on screen. Now, head to Media. This is where you'll access your assets. In CapCut, the Media area lets you browse your files, but it also gives you access to built-in resources that can save you time. From there, click on Library. The library contains stock elements, stickers, overlays, and pre-made animations, including subscribe buttons. It's a quick way to add polished graphics without designing them from scratch. In the library's search bar, type subscribe. You'll see a selection of animated buttons and icons. Look for one that fits your video style: minimal, bold, or playful. If possible, choose an asset that mentions a transparent background so it blends seamlessly over your footage. You can preview options before adding them to make sure the motion and sound, if included, match your vibe. Choose a file you like and add it to your project. It will appear as an overlay on your timeline. If it lands at the beginning by default, that's okay. We'll move it in a second. Give it a quick preview to confirm it plays correctly. Finally, place the animation at the end of your video. Drag the subscribe button clip to the final moments of your timeline so it serves as a clean call to action. You can trim the clip to match your outro length, reposition it on screen so it doesn't cover important content, and scale it up or down for readability. If your video already has music, lower the animation's sound effects slightly so everything feels balanced. A simple timing tip: let your main content finish, then bring the subscribe animation in during the last couple of seconds for a neat, professional finish. That's it. Open CapCut, add your video, go to Media, open Library, search Subscribe, choose a file, and place it at the end. With just a few clicks, you've added a polished animated subscribe button to your edit.